Today we're going to learn how to draw a cat. We're going to start with the circle in the middle of our paper. I'm going to go around and make the letter C, turn my paper, and make another C. And then we can flip it around. We're going to add 2 triangles for their ears. So put your marker at the top of your circle and scoot it over just a little bit. Let's count the sides of a triangle. 1, 2, 3. We're going to do the same thing on the other side of the circle. 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to go to the very center of the circle and draw another triangle, but this one's going to be upside down. So let's start with a line across and then 2 more lines pointing down. Next, I'm going to add the eyeballs. Under the ear and over a little bit, I'm going to add a dot here and a dot here. Then I'm going to add a line down the nose and the letter U for a smiley face. Now we can't forget the whiskers. So let's go to the triangle and add 3 on each side. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And that's how we draw our cat today. I hope you had fun. Bye.